Alright, guys. We're gonna play Fun Monkey Horror. Come on! This is my friend. Again. Oh, she doesn't have mods or anything. Faith. Oh. What the? Okay, come on. We gotta go. No? Oh, that's just stuff. Come on. We gotta go play the game. Ow. Sorry, guys. That was just my necklace that it just absolutely ripped. Alright, this is all the places. And we are doomed. I'll probably make like a video on this, but oh, but if, as I said in a video, if it gets too long, then I can't post. So this will be it for this video. It'll just be a short, and yeah, Fun Monkey Horror.